My last question to you before I end. You need to do all of this, but you need to do one more thing to be successful in life. I promise you that's what I've learned. And that is a 4-letter word. It's a 4-letter word. And if you really want to be successful in life, it is important you experience this 4-letter word. What is that word?
Derek O'Brien, MP ka Rajya Sabha, but nongialam jong ka All India Trinamool Congress. Kren hakikat ars pa ngut ki khynnah skul ka Don Bosco High Secondary School, Tura, hakakat tarik Kyllalyngkot, da kaba pynkynmaw but kyntu yaki da kaba ong. Wat Ibein ne niewpoh yaki Ktien, Sahkut ne Rem, ne Shah Jop ne fail. Namar kine kilong ki Mawjam Shah ka Thong, ka Jingjop, ka bat Shah ka Pahuh Pahai. Day ka Shah Rem, ka Sahkut bat ka Shah Jop, ka ba kyrsiew thia ye ubriu ban yakun, ban sabor, ban dur-iap, ban am-khia, bat aitilot yelade ban poisyak liar ulomba ka Jingjop. Kyntu ye ki khynnah ka Don Bosco High Secondary School, Tura. Dakani ka kren O'Brien kentha kendok ya ki minsim bat ki jing angnut jang ki khynnah ha kani ka skul ban khethia bat sailut ya ka buit ka bor ha ki jing puli jong ki. Da ka jing shlur bat jing kemen ki khynnah Kyllalyngkot ya Derek O'Brien bon jat ki jing kli ya ki ba jubab lut plon da ka ba ai jing kermen ya ki. Usandare bi sangma uway ni kinongi kai mincur ba Derek play wang ye ki jing wat jing perkhat jang ki khynnah skul menta kasngi ong. Uphadar Andres Panna ong da katu ka kren bat kyrsiew thia jong Derek O'Brien ki khynnah skul kelayo shibun ki jing hikai ha ka jing em jong ki.
And it was an opportunity also to meet the MP Derek O'Brien. It was a beautiful interaction. It was not expected. Whatever it is, a providential come together where our students also had the opportunity of interacting him. And it was a very short and sweet message that he drove home to their life, I should say, that which they never imagined that failure could be, as it is said, it's a stepping stone to success. Nevertheless, today he drove home the lesson, the failure is indeed a stepping stone to success. I wish him all the best as he's going around animating and motivating the students. And also, I thank you for coming and recapturing the scene here. Thank you so much and God bless you.
I'm privileged that today Sir Derek came to our college, and as one teacher of this college, I'm happy that students could interact with him, and his interaction with students was very good, and I believe that students could also gain some knowledge from his insightful speeches. And most of the speeches, like when we see from other guests and all, they focus on the importance of success. One of the important things that Sir had spoken today was the importance of failure as well, because failure is also important for a person to be successful in his life.